Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Gemini AI Advanced, how you can get the Gemini AI Advanced, and how you can manage your chats on the Gemini. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, if you want to manage your chats, you can also do that. Now simply we have to write whatever you want. For example, I'm going to provide this comment here. Now if you want a new chat, what we have to do, as you can see, we have to click on this expand menu, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see all the chats here. Now we have to click on these three dot options. If you want to make it pin, you can also do that. If you want to rename this, you can also do that. If you want to make a delete, for example, I'm going to click on the delete, and let's click on the delete again, and it will be deleted. Now if you want to purchase the Gemini AI advanced one, you can also do that. You have to click on this option, and now as you can see, we will be redirected. And as you can see, now we will be, so as you can see, after clicking on this, we will be redirected to this mode here. Now we have to pay this amount in PKR. You will get the amount as per your country, and as per your country's currency you have to pay that monthly. And after that you will click on the start trial. You will also get in trial, and then you will be able to use that. You will get these features in the Gemini AI advanced. So in this way you can purchase the Gemini AI advanced, and in this way you can manage your chats on the Gemini AI. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.